Enjoy your candy and party on, monster friends!
You know, one of the things about Brick or Treat, and I appreciate this, that families can come here in this really safe environment. The kids have a great time riding rides. They're brick or treating with really, really awesome candy. They're also gonna get a chance to have food that is very special. It's made only for Brick or Treat, so it's themed, it's fun. And of course, you've got great rides, you've got great entertainment, and then the crescendo with our drone show and fireworks. I just started at this property and I'm really, really excited to be here. But what I'm most impressed by is the talent of our entertainment team. You know, when they first came to me and they said, we want to do a drone show. And not just a drone show, we want to do a drone show with fireworks. I said, but don't they do those separately? She's like, exactly. This will be the first time you see drones with fireworks together. Completely different show. And I said, look, I appreciate vision, let's do it.